Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can browse Incognito on Firefox browser app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by browsing Incognito, your data or search history will not be stored or collected by Firefox unless you turn the Incognito off. This is one of the best or secure ways to search on your browser. So to enter Incognito on Firefox, look for this simple. This is the simple for Incognito. So if I tap on it, the screen will go blank because of security reasons, and it might not be able to display as you can see here. However, if you're already incognito, you should still be able to see the same sign here. If you tap on it again, you'll have exited incognito. So I'll go ahead, tap this incognito, and now incognito. From here, you'll just have the same search. You can now search anything. So sorry because mine can't display, but on my phone it is displaying. Here you'll be able to search for anything. So that's how you can search incognito on Firefox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.